Sulfur burps and diarrhea. What's the cause?
Hello everyone. Today we'll dive deep into the intriguing topic of sulfur burps and diarrhea, two symptoms that many have faced at some point in their lives. We will explore which foods and activities can lead to these symptoms, so you can be more informed and potentially avoid these unpleasant experiences. Knowing the cause is the first step to prevention.
What are sulfur burps?
Sulfur burps are essentially burps that have a rotten egg smell. This odor is due to hydrogen sulfide gas, which is released from the breakdown of certain foods in the stomach and intestines. It's not just the smell that can be bothersome. Sometimes it can come with an upset stomach or even diarrhea.
Which foods can cause sulfur burps?
Certain foods are more likely to cause sulfur burps due to their sulfur content or their propensity to produce gas during digestion. 1. Protein-rich foods. Red meats, poultry, eggs, and dairy can sometimes cause this issue because they contain amino acids that contain sulfur. 2. Foods rich in sulfites. Some preserved foods and alcoholic beverages. 3. High-fiber foods. While they're excellent for digestion, sometimes beans, lentils, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts can lead to gas. 4. Dairy products, particularly for those who are lactose intolerant. 5. Sugary foods and drinks. They can ferment in the stomach, causing gas.
What activities can cause these symptoms?
Apart from foods, certain activities or conditions can contribute to the production of hydrogen sulfide gas. 1. Drinking carbonated beverages. They introduce more gas into the digestive system. 2. Swallowing air. This can occur when eating too fast, talking while eating, or drinking from straws. 3. Gastric infections. Helicobacter pylori or Giardia can cause both sulfur burps and diarrhea. 4. Taking certain medications. Some medicines can interfere with the normal balance of gut bacteria or impact digestion, leading to gas.
Why diarrhea?
Diarrhea can sometimes accompany sulfur burps. The reasons include 1. Food intolerance or allergies. Lactose intolerance is a classic example. 2. Digestive disorders, like irritable bowel syndrome or Crohn's disease. 3. Infections. Bacterial, viral, or parasitic infections can upset the digestive system. Understanding the foods and activities that might cause sulfur burps and diarrhea is crucial. By being mindful of what you eat and how you eat, and by recognizing the other contributing factors, you can take steps to avoid these symptoms. Always consult a healthcare professional if you're concerned about any persistent or severe symptoms. We hope this video has shed light on the mystery behind sulfur burps and diarrhea. Stay informed and take care.